We're gonna ride on the new ride. It's a bus.
Oh, everybody here. That's so cute, Elisa.
Look at the little birdie. Hi guys, welcome back to the next day of Sesame Place. Today is Easter, so look at the eggs over there.
And happy Easter. They're so cute.
Easter. Look what the grass turned into. Green, pink, yellow, green. So guys, it's the first time we're here at Easter. Well guys, let's have some fun here.
Let's go.
Guys, today we're gonna ride on the new ride. It's a bus.
Ooh.
We're gonna go spinny, spinny.
The Big Bird tour bus.
Hey everyone! Hello there, it's me, Big Bird. Welcome to my tour bus. Yeah.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our ride on tour bus. Thank you guys all for visiting the tour bus. I will be coming around helping you out with your restraint.
You like the ride?
Yeah, I like it. I wanna go again.
Yeah, we can go again.
All join in the fun, father, mother, son, do the bunny hop, hide for time. All join in the fun.
Oh, everybody here.
Oscar, Big Bird.
You can do a group hug. Huddle up, long, huddle up, huddle up. Ila, you wanna high five everybody? No? Oh.
They were so fluffy.
Yeah. So cute, Elisa. All of them. Elisa, are you excited to see the parade?
Yeah. When I get older, I'm gonna work at Sesame Place.